Good morning, friends, and once again, welcome for Nifty analysis from sharestradingschool.com. Today, 23rd September 2016. Nifty analysis, which we have done in the past session, I'll just quickly take you through that, and then we will go ahead with the new analysis. We had said that in last video that if Nifty crosses 8850, then you should think of going long, and then target was taken as 8,950. If Nifty crosses 8,688 level, then we should think of going short, and target was decided at 8,550. Now, looking into current scenario and the international news helped Nifty to cross 8,850, rather it opened above that. However, unfortunately, after opening also it didn't continue to our target of 8,952, because most of the time when market opens with the gap, market tries and fills that gap, and we have seen that throughout they tried to actually fill that gap. Later it made an attempt actually to cross and go above high, above yesterday's open, but again closing is almost where it had opened. Now flat market again. On 20th, we had actually said about Nifty's consolidation, and which we are, even after having such a bullish breakout, we are still in consolidation. Bar chart which is showing that there is still confusion between bulls and bears. There is no clarity which direction market should go. For that, only helpful tool which we can say is that these moving averages, which are 150 and 20, which are showing us that a trend is bullish. So looking into the past analysis and looking into the current pattern, we will still remain bullish. We will attribute that this consolidation is nothing but the bulls are developing their strength, and hence we will go long and we will continue to remain long. Our first target will be 8,952, and our second target which we had created, or we had actually seen as per weekly chart. I'll just convert it into weekly chart, then we will see. Our second target was 8,950. This is 8,952 is our first target. Our second target is somewhere around 8,900, 9,100 plus. So these two targets are there for us. First 8,952 and second is 9,100. Hence, we will keep our stop loss as per daily chart and that to a 20 EMA. So we will go long, we will remain long with the stop loss around 20 EMA, that is 8,750. So our stop loss will be 8,750. If Nifty crosses below that, then we will square up our long positions. What we will do is we will just see our intraday chart, 2-hourly chart, which we have been following. So 2-hourly chart, which we can see comfortably, 150 20 EMA gap up open, then initial hours it actually filled that gap and again tried and actually create a new high. So what I believe that we will remain long, and with stop loss which we have discussed as per daily chart, our stop loss comes to 20 EMA, 8,750. If you look at 2-hourly chart, 8,750, 100 EMA is placed somewhere that. So we actually 8,750 will be ideal stop loss. If Nifty closes below that in hourly chart, then we will think of squaring off all our long positions. Quickly, I'll design one simple strategy for Nifty. What we can do is this is a bear spread, so this is a credit strategy. What we a bull spread, but it is with put bull spread, and then this is credit strategy. What we can do is we can sell 9,200 put, and we can buy 8,900 put. Current price of 9,200 put is 306 rupees 70 paise, and 8,900 put is around say 62 rupees. So this 306 rupees will be our credit, and 62 rupees will be our debit. So strategy will form like this. If Nifty remains around 8,937, we will think we will remain by. Our maximum risk is 4,100, rather 4,200, and maximum profit potential will be around 9,200. In this formation, if we look at workbook, I'll just show you some strategy. 8,900 we will be buying and 9,200 will be selling. This is the rate. So what actually maximum profit will be 18,300 rupees. This will be our credit, and this credit will remain maximum profit. Okay. So risk is 4,147, so around 4,200 level, and profit will be around 18,000. Maximum profit we will see when Nifty touches to 9,200 level. Our break even starts with 8,950. So this is what our current strategy. Considering market scenario at this moment, I'll go for this strategy. Wish you best of luck and happy trading.